How to use Claude to ChatGPT alternative. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to ChatGPT alternative. So for that, just open the website using the www.cloudai.ai, and after that just enter the email address and you will be prompted to enter the login code received in your email. So just go ahead and log into your account, and after that just go to the welcome page. Now accept a welcome page, click on next, read the instructions and again click on next, and then subsequently click on finish, and after that just enter query. Anthropic will display the starting page where you can enter the query and begin your interaction with Claude 2 AI. Get familiar with the interface. You can input on text or attach a file as input. The Claude 2 AI allow uploading a maximum of 5 files of 10 MB each. The limitation remains to upload PDF. Besides providing inputs from new commands, the search bar also allow finding the previous chat titles. Once you begin a conversation, you can switch between the homepage and the conversation page through the A logo and cross button respectively. So this is basically how you will use Claude 2 AI. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.